When I was doing my tie-dye shirts, I mopped up the extra dye with paper towels, and I was about to throw them away, and I thought, oh my god, those are so pretty. What a waste. I wonder if I can do something with them. Well, today I'm going to try. So I have a few paper towels to experiment with. I'm going to be using photo paper from Kirkland's Signature. This is glossy. I can use both the glossy photo side and the back side. And I also cut some watercolor paper, and I'll be using that. I'm going to be attempting it with both alcohol and with water. I figure I'd spray it on and maybe use a toothbrush and just do some experimenting. I said toothbrush, I meant paintbrush.
Mama?
Yeah, baby.
I want to go up and I want to sit on your lap.
Okay, you can sit on my lap. And here's Kai sitting on my lap and maybe helping me experiment. You gonna say hi?
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, what do you think we should do first?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Let's check.
Let's check. Let's maybe do this. Should we put water on the paper first, or should we just spray it on top?
Put water.
You want to put water on the paper? Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Here. I'm all done. Okay, should we put this one on?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, put some over here. Okay, should we see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Still not doing much.
My turn.
Your turn. Put it over here too. What do you think? It's kind of strange.
It kind of looks like a hippopotamus got smashed.
It does.
My turn.
Okay, your turn.
It didn't do anything again.
It did a little bit. Okay, that's Kai. That's enough. I don't know. What do you think?
About a butterfly.
A butterfly?
Yeah.
You mean that looks like a butterfly?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's get the glossy side. This is the photo side. Should we put some water on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it all over.
I'm doing it. No, I'm doing it.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. It's getting kind of puddling over there. Here, let's put this aside. Well, that's kind of pretty. Let's let that dry on there. Shall we let that dry?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that didn't do a thing. I thought the watercolor paper might be really good for this, but it's a near total fail. Nope. Nothing. It picked up the alcohol ink. Nothing. The alcohol does nothing to move this. Okay, so this is pretty warm water here. I have a feeling it'll make it transfer a little bit better. Okay, these have been sitting overnight and I am ready to peel off. I have high hopes. And there we go. It's a nice abstract pattern from that paper towel. I really like that. I think it's very pretty. Okay. And the second one. You can see the patterns from the paper towel up here. Here's where the paper towel name is. It's a mirror image. Pretty neat though. Pretty neat. I really like that. I think it's really neat.